Here's how to turn off Gemini on your Samsung phone. Now let's swipe up from here and hop into your settings. There are three primary places that we're going to identify where Gemini basically invades your Samsung phone, and let's turn them off. The first one is the Gemini app. So we're going to scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down until we find Gemini on this list. Now you'll be able to see here's the Gemini app, and we can disable this. However, keep in mind, it'll still be on other parts of your phone, so you'll still want to do other steps. But essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to storage, hit clear the data, and then let's go back and hit disable the app. So we've disabled the Gemini app, but we also need to disable it in a couple other places. You'll be able to see if I press and hold that side button, you can see it just pops up with Gemini, just like that. Again, let's disable that in addition to some other things. So let's swipe up and get back into your settings. And we're gonna go back to the very beginning of your settings. From the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until you get to advanced features and then side button. Here is the long press, and it's set to digital assistant, AKA Google's Gemini. If you don't want it to open up Google's Gemini, you can switch this to power off menu. And now if you press and hold that side button, it will pop up with the power off or restart menu instead of popping up with Gemini. However, keep in mind, Gemini could potentially still be listening in for you to basically prompt Gemini to pop up and help you out with stuff. So let's turn that off as well. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. So go all the way back to the beginning. Unfortunately, they've hidden this Gemini settings. So instead of navigating to it, the easiest way is to tap on the search bar, and we're going to search for Gemini. And then scroll down to the bottom, and there is others Gemini settings. There are several things we want to make sure we're going to turn off on this list. The first thing that I would recommend doing is scrolling down, and you can see on here, it says talk to Gemini hands-free. If Hey Google is turned on while driving or just in general, you can just toggle these off, and then it won't be constantly listening in the background to listen for Hey Google. Now, after we've done that, let's also go back out of here and go to screen context, because you can see it can analyze on-screen text and it can analyze on-screen images as well. You might not want this, and you can just toggle these both off. You might need to do images first and then text, and you can go to this digital assistant and you could switch this to ChatGPT if you prefer that better than Gemini. However, unfortunately, there's no way to turn it off on here. Now let's go back out of here, back again, because there are some other things we want to do as well. You can see Gemini on the lock screen. You can see it says use Gemini without unlocking your Android or Samsung phone. So I would recommend turning that off. And one last thing let's do. Let's go back out here, scroll to the bottom, and go to digital assistants from Google. Instead of Gemini, I would recommend switching over to the dumber Google Assistant here. Essentially, it says this assistant will just be conversational to help out with things that are basic on your Android or Samsung phone without the full-blown Gemini on your Android or Samsung phone.